New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern said the Defence Force personnel would send 30 troops to Britain to train Ukrainian forces on how to use the 105mm L119 light gun. They would stay in the UK until the end of July. Ardern said New Zealand had been asked to help teach Ukrainians to use the guns, and Defence Force personnel would remain in the UK throughout the training. Chief of Defence Force Air Marshal Kevin Short said 230 Ukrainians would be trained, and each training session would take about 1 week. Ardern said no further training request had been made. The L118 light gun was originally designed and produced in England for the British Army in the 1970s. It has since been widely exported, including to the United States, where a modified version is known as the M119 howitzer. The L119 gives the gun a maximum range of 11,400 meters or 12,500 yards. The 19's ordnance is slightly shorter than the 13's used by the Abbott and hence has a slightly shorter maximum range.